Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for the rolling 5-pan that I do with my girl Amanda. This is kind of like a besties collab and it's very simple and there's not really any rolls except that it's rolling and it's a 5-pan. And I am going to have her link down below, so definitely go check her update out after you are done watching this video. I have an empty this month. I'm very excited about this and yeah, it's what I rolled in last time. The Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. I used it for the last time today and I have been having some problems with it flaking, and I really did like this, and if it wasn't so daggone expensive and it's such a dry formula, I probably would buy it. And like the wand is okay. It's not bad, it's not wonderful, but I do like the formulation as far as like it volumizes, and it's just a much drier formula than I'm used to, so I feel like it didn't last as long in here because, you know, mascara, once it starts to dry out a little bit, it gets like flaky after, you know, a little bit. I got a month's use out of this, which, I mean, I guess it's not bad. I got it in Sephora Play. It's a deluxe size. Let's see, does it even have the size on it? It is 5 grams or 0.17 ounce. So yeah, it's tiny. I guess I shouldn't have expected it to last super long, but yeah, it definitely is a drier formula, but even still, I liked it. And I do have another one in my collection, and that will be in a project coming up very, very soon. So you will be seeing that really soon. Okay. That is my one empty. Let me show you the progress on my other products. Some impressive, some not so much. The first one that is not so much is this e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown. I have used it, but not enough to even warrant a new line. If I can show you this, it is just below that line right there. I can't hold these things. I could do another line, but it's just not worth it. It's not worth it. I was kind of spending time using this and something else. That something else is done, so now it's all this all the time. So that should start having some really nice progress on it. Another one that is an amazing progress is the Benefit What's Up. I'm going to show you on the cap. I don't even need to do another line. I was at the red last time and I'm just below that now, if I could get my finger out of the way. Yeah. I have been using this, but this time of year it is so hot and so humid here that I am not using it on my cheeks right now because it gets too oily and heavy on my skin. So I really only am using it on my Cupid's bow this time of year. And so, yeah, the progress is a little bit slower right now. I'm still enjoying it, still using it on a regular basis. It's just going a lot slower. One that I do have some progress on is this Hair Omega. It's an argan oil conditioner. I do really like this a lot. I was at the red line last time up here, and now I'm down at the orange line. I love the smell. It's kind of like that dreamsicle smell. It's really good. But as you all know, I don't wash my hair that frequently, so I don't really need to use that much product. All right, here's the impressive one, and it's kind of laughable that I'm not rolling something in for this, but this is the blush from the Sephora Colorista palette. Yeah, there's not a lot in there. It is repressed, obviously, and then I've still worn a lot away. It is what I am wearing today, and I do think this is going to be gone in the next few days to a week, but it's not done, so I'm not rolling anything in for that. The only thing that I finished was the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. So what I'm going to roll in is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. This was just one of those that I got from Sephora Play. So it's brand new and not very big. I almost feel like I could, you know, lose it. But I'm going to put it like in my tray over here, so hopefully I don't lose that. That is what I'm rolling in. Those are my 5 products, and I'm fairly certain I will have at least one empty by next update. So I look forward to that update. Please go check out Amanda. Again, she is down below. Go show her some love, and let's see what kind of emoji can we leave on her little comment section. Whew, I cannot words today. How about we leave a fish? Let's leave a fish for her. It doesn't matter what kind of fish. And if you're quirky like me, you'll probably leave sushi because it's fish technically, right? Yeah, I'm weird. Yeah, leave her either a fish or the sushi emoji and just see what she says. Anyway, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.